So now we know how to represent integers on a number line, and we learned that how we will tell whether any number is greater or smaller. And let's do some problems on that actually, that comparison of integers. We know the way how we do it, but let's again practice some problems. So let's say that you have minus 10 and 10. If you have to compare this, now you know that since this is 10, this is also 10, but it has a minus sign associated with this number 10. Therefore, this will be smaller than this number 10. So you will put less than sign like this. So minus 10 is smaller than 10. Let's take minus 10, 0 and 10. Now if you have to arrange these numbers, in increasing order, let's first start from decreasing and then go towards the increasing. Then you will say that, hey, this is 10, this is 0, this is 10, minus 10. Of course 10 is greater than 0, and since this is a negative number, and of course all negative numbers are smaller than 0, so the order will be that minus 10 will be less than 0 and 0 will be less than 10. So this will be the increasing order. And let's say that if it is minus 10,000 and minus 1, which is greater of them, which is smaller and which is greater. Now both these numbers are associated with a minus sign that makes them a negative number, and we know that larger negative number is actually smaller. So minus 10,000 is this 10,000 is actually larger than 1, but it has minus sign, therefore that minus sign will make it a smaller number. So this will be actually a smaller number. Therefore minus 10,000 will be actually less than minus 1. Similarly, we can say that minus 10 lakh will be less than 0. Minus 1 crore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is actually less than 0. So the larger your number becomes and a minus sign associated with it, that actually makes it smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. That's it. That is, if you move towards the left, your number actually becomes more and more negative, and that makes it more and more smaller. And more you move towards the left, towards the right, that makes it a larger value, a larger value. That is, you're moving towards positive numbers.